How to fix IDM is corrupted error. So hi guys, the first thing that we need to do is to open our settings, and once we have our settings opened already, go to the left hand side and click on apps. Now here in the apps section, go to installed apps, search for internet. Alright, and by then we will be able to see our IDM application. So the next thing that you need to do is to click on uninstall, and there will be another pop-up, and hit on uninstall again. Now once you've hit on uninstall, you will actually be routed to another pop-out, which you will be asking to verify if you really want to uninstall IDM, and just click on yes to that one. Now the next thing that we need to do is to go to our browser. Simply go to idmmanager.com or internetdownloadmanager.com rather, and simply download IDM one more time. So that's about it for today's video guys. Hope you enjoyed and thank you so much for watching.